What a beautiful forest. Look! A monkey! Look! Turn the camera! Looking for the hidden waterfall. Just one fuck up, and it's a wrap. Brother, you already fucking know I'm going in. How you feel, gang? Feel great? Yeah, me too. Can you stop horsing around? Hey.
No, we're just excited for the beach.
Oh shit. Oh. Don't try to come past me, bro. What? Don't try that shit again. Yo, we're kayaking in the fucking dark. Shit is crazy.
I don't know, but it is real slimy.
That looks like lubricant, actually.
Honestly. Look at it.
Brother. Use some fin. Noggin. Ready. Lean back, no yoke, okay? Yes, sir. Whoa! Vamos. Watch your step. Shit. I gotta watch my step. Can you imagine how we got here? Hey, park here. The guy just flagged us down. Hey, park here. He was like,
no, just come.
He was like, river, right? Yeah, yep. Nice. Where the fuck are we? Oh, there's a fucking jump rock. So what are we gonna do now? The next video is gonna be a clip of me jumping off that rock.
We are in the middle of the jungle.
She's not lying. So that shit was fucking crazy. Bro. Fucking lady. We're going up the fucking... Well, I'm going up the water slide, right? Yo, and this lady just like eats it, bro. Like her head hits the fucking rock. And it sounded like a knocking sound, like... I was like, are you okay? Inside, I was like, ah! Oh, first of all, I was like, okay, she's alive. But then I was like, yo, this bitch just fell on her face. Yo, like she tried to catch herself and her hand slipped. It just, boom! It's not funny, bro. And then she went down the slide and she had a fucking great time, bro. That was not totally tubular. Bro, no. You know what we doing today.